Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes friends. What is it friends? What is all or none principle or what is all or none law? Friends, this question from second year geology, that is from neural control and coordination. All or none law friends, all are complete, none means nothing. Okay friends, here come to our answer friends. Action potential occurs, for example, see friends, in a nerve cell, action potential occurs in response to a threshold stimulus. Friends, action potential occurs in response to a threshold stimulus or supra-threshold stimulus. A nerve cell responds for what friends? For a stimulus. That stimulus must have some strength. The minimum or the optimum strength is called as what friends? Threshold value. It can also respond for more than threshold value. That's called as what friends? Supra-threshold stimuli. But it does not respond for what friends? For sub-threshold stimuli. What is sub-threshold stimuli friends? The stimuli which is lesser than the threshold stimuli. Okay friends, once again, the action potential occurs in a nerve cell friends. In a nerve cell, the action potential occurs in response to a threshold stimulus or supra-threshold stimulus, but it does not occur at sub-threshold stimuli. See friends, a nerve cell can respond for what friends? For threshold stimulus and supra-threshold stimulus. Okay friends, but it does not respond for what? It does not respond for sub-threshold stimuli. Okay friends, now it means what friends? A nerve impulse either conducted totally or not conducted at all friends, either conducted totally or not conducted at all, and this is called all or none principle. See friends, means what friends? In a nerve, if a nerve impulse either conducted totally or not conducted at all. Friends, when it receives threshold stimuli or supra-threshold stimuli, it conducted totally. If it receives, a nerve cell receives less than threshold value, that is sub-threshold stimuli, it not conducted at all. This is called as what friends? All or none law or all or none principle. See friends, second definition. The nerve fiber either gives a maximum response or none response, none at all. A nerve fiber either gives a maximum response or no response. Okay friends, now come to third friends. When a nerve fiber is stimulated, it either responds maximally or does not respond at all. Friends, these three have the same meaning. You have to write any one of these three definitions friends. To understand, I have given these three definitions friends. To understand what? To understand what is all or none law. Okay friends, when a nerve cell receives threshold stimuli or supra-threshold stimuli, it responds. If it receives sub-threshold stimuli, it won't respond. That is all or none law principle friends. Okay friends, now see friends, some NEET or MCET bits friends. What is action potential? Potential means ability or capacity friends. The ability to respond a stimuli by producing electric signal is called action potential. See friends, here when we stimulate a nerve cell, it responds. The ability to respond a stimuli. During this time, it gives what friends? It produces electric signals. That is called as action potential. Okay friends. This action potential is also called as nerve impulse, friends. Nerve impulse, nerve conduction, action potential. See friends, nerve impulse, nerve conduction, action potential. These all are synonyms or same words, friends. It travels down to an axon. See friends, from dendrites to cyton, cyton to axon, axon to telodendrite, telodendrites to dendrites, like that. It travels down an axon. Next friends. Temporary shift in the action potential. What happens, friends? Generally a nerve cell in resting phase, it has negatively charged in the neuroplasm or in the cytoplasm, positively charged outside the axolemma. But at the time of action potential, what happens, friends? Temporary shift from negative to positive in the neurons. So temporary shifting of the ions take place. The negative charge ions move outside, the positive charge ions move inside. Inside means into the neuroplasm or cytoplasm. See friends, temporary shift from negative to positive in the neuron membrane is called action potential. Okay friends, now come to threshold stimulus, friends. What is threshold stimulus? The stimulus which is able to bring the membrane potential to threshold is called threshold stimulus. So here, what is threshold stimulus? It is a stimulus. It brings what, friends? It is capacity. It has capacity. It has ability to bring what, friends? The membrane potential to threshold is called threshold stimulus. This is about what, friends? This is very, very important, friends. This is about minus 55 millivolts. What is threshold stimulus, friends? This is minus 55 millivolts. This stage of axon is called depolarization. One more important MSET difference. At minus 55 millivolts, the stage of the axon is called as what, friends? Depolarization. Depolarization. Next, friends. Simply threshold means it is a stimulus that is enough to produce an action potential or response. What is threshold stimulus, friends? Threshold means what, friends? It is the stimulus. It has capability, what, friends? To change it will produce the action potential or response. Okay friends. Now what is membrane potential, friends? It is a difference in electrical potential between the ICF and ECF. What is membrane potential, friends? It is the difference in electron potential between ICF. ICF means intracellular fluid, that is cytoplasm. ECF, extracellular fluid, which is present between two cells. That is what, friends? Membrane potential. It is a difference in electrical potential. It is a difference in electrical potential between intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid is called as what, friends? Membrane potential. Okay friends, that is about what, friends? All or none principle. Once again, friends, once again you see, friends, it means the nerve impulse either conducted totally or not conducted at all is called as all or none principle. The nerve impulse, if conducted totally or not conducted at all, that is called as all or none principle. Okay friends, this is about all or none principle. Thank you friends. Good day.